If you ever wonder how Japanese women get that mochi-smooth poreless skin, there's one mask that keeps showing up everywhere. From Don Quixote to Amazon bestseller list. Yes, it's the Keana Rice Mask. But what makes this mask so popular? I tried it and I tested it, and today we're breaking down exactly what makes this mask the viral Japanese favorite. Oh, if you want to grab one of these and try it for yourself, I have left my Amazon link on top of the description below. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, where we talk all things skincare, beauty and what's trending in Asia. If you love discovering cult favorite product that actually works, hit the subscribe button below and let's dive in. Okay, so why did it go viral? This mask blew up because of Japanese beauty influencer and also TikTok review. So everyone started posting the aftershot, like pores are blue, the cheeks are glowing and no foundation is needed. It became a must-buy souvenir in Japan, especially in Donki. But the deeper reason is affordability and result. So you get about 10 masks for under $20 USD and generally improve your skin texture over time. Plus it has this cute minimal packaging. It has this blue rice girl design. It feels very authentic and collectible. Even dermatologists praise its simple formula. So there's no alcohol, no fragrance and no paraben, making this great for sensitive skin. This mask promises to shrink pores, hydrate and even out your skin tone, all using the power of Japanese rice. Each pouch comes with 10 sheet masks, so it's designed for daily use, not just once a week. The first thing you notice is the thickness of the sheets. It's way more substantial than your typical drugstore mask. It's made of cotton with a soft, pillowy texture that clings nicely to your face without dripping. The essence feels light but milky, not sticky or slimy. When you apply it, it gives you this cooling, spa-like sensation, perfect after a long day. It's moving, non-tingling, and even sensitive skin friendly. After 10 minutes, your skin feels hydrated yet matte smooth, like you just use a pore blurring primer, but skincare. Keana's secret sauce is its 100% Japanese rice serum extract. It combines 4 rice-based ingredients. Rice ferment filtrate, it moisturizes and boosts smoothness. Rice balm extract, brighten dull skin. Rice balm oil, it adds bounce and elasticity. And rice germ oil, it locks in moisture. These ingredients gently refine pores and balance oil production. Great if your skin gets shiny or texture. So what's my honest review after testing? So I've been using this 1 week straight, every night, after cleansing and toning. By day 3, I noticed my skin is a lot smoother and makeup applied better. By day 7, I noticed my T-zone is less oily and the bump on my cheeks softened. It's not an instant glow up, so it's more like a slow burn glow up. So if you want something that is gentle, hydrating, and give your skin a polished texture over time, then this is it. But if you have extremely dry skin, you might want to layer a thicker moisturizer afterwards because this focuses more on pore care and balance rather than deep oil richness. You can definitely find this everywhere in Donki in Japan, and also they sell those in Amazon as well. So that's the secret behind the Keana Rice Mask craze. So it's affordable, effective, and just a little bit magical. If you tried it, comment below and tell me your experience. I put my Amazon link on top of the description below. Just make sure you buy it from a verified seller. There are some fake versions floating around with different fonts and thinner sheets. And once again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.